Hello dear student, I am Rajwan Singh from LPM Public School, Golabazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, today I will explain the chapter A Train Station for a Student. So let's start. A train station in rural Japan was kept open for a whole year for a single student. The writer expresses about Japan and he says that in Japan, a train station in rural Japan, you can say in rural areas, was kept open for a whole year for a single student. Here are three newspaper reports about the same event. In what way are they similar and in what way are they different? Here everything is given about this. Train runs for just one student. A high school girl is on her way to school. She waits at the Q Shiratoki station. The station is on Iceland of Hokkaido in northern Japan. There is a girl and a train comes whole year for that girl, for that a single student. The train stops here to pick her up in the morning. It drops her back at the same place after school is over. The train every day comes at that place and it's pick up the girl, and in the evening after departure of school it drops at the same place. There are no other passengers boarding the train and very often there are no other passengers on the train. In this train, the only girl sits and there is no passengers in this train, and this train comes only for a single student. This one student depends on the train for transport to continue her schooling, and her parents requested the company to keep the station open for their child. The parents requested to open the station for their for his girl, and the company that operates the line kept it open especially for this one single student for whole year. A Chinese TV station broadcast the news and the news went viral on the internet, and this news became viral on the internet. For some years now, the number of travelers using stations like you Shiratoki in remote areas has fallen dramatically, and other services are also hardly used at this place. However, the Hokkaido railway station company has decided to keep operating this station until March, when the school year ends and this student will complete her schooling. People are applauding the Japanese railway company for their gesture and the government for making education a priority. They appreciate these things that they have provided this facility for a single student, and they have given the importance to the education. This is the very important thing for that country. This is the meaning of good governance. Every citizen matters. This is the meaning. It's good, and for the every person of that country. No child is left behind, a social media user posted on a popular site. A social media posted on a popular site that no student, no child is left behind for education in that country. Others point out that the declining train services of rural Japan point to a major crisis facing the country, a declining population. With the threat of losing a third of its people within the next few decades, Japan faces several major economic problems, but it provided this facility to a single country for growth of education. A train stops at the remote Shirataki station in the far north of Japan to take on a single passenger, a student on her way to school. It has been bringing her home at 8 p.m. every single working day for the last 3 years. She may be the only person on the train, but it lets her continue her education. It is for her education, and it shows that the country provided this facility for a single girl. That is the very good thing for the people of that country, because they have given the importance to education. That is the best thing for that country and for that people of that country. This story by China's CCTV news went viral, and operator of the line, the Hokkaido Railway Company, has been acclaimed for its heartwarming and caring gesture towards a customer. The company is also devoted for the customer, and they also have given the importance to the education for a single girl. The railway company had planned to shut the station down 3 years ago since it was hardly used. The company decided to shut this station, but only for a single girl, only for a single student, it cannot be done so. Then it was brought to their notice that one student was still using the train every school day. They have informed that a single student is using the train on the working day, on the every working day. Hokkaido Railway Company decided to keep the station open for the girl until she completed high school. The company decided that the station will not shut until the girl has completed high school, which she will at the end of the school year in March. The authorities are likely to close down the station on March 26 this year. Hokkaido Railway Company decided to keep the station open for that single girl. A post on a popular social media site said that this is a long-term investment. They show that this is a long-term investment because only for a single girl to open the station, it's very costly for that country. When the young woman starts working and businesses and leaders in the other countries would make a similar commitment to education and the public. It is very impressive for that girl, and it is very impressive for the people of that country who knew about this news very well. And this is most excitementful news for all the people over all the world. If they have heard this news, they all will impress about knowing this news. And this is the best for education sector, and this is the best for that persons who wants to take education from rural areas and they have no facilities of train or buses. So it's very important for those who are well aware for this education. So my dear student, that's all today, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.